So today on Punisher Lemans Garage, brought to you by Roadkill Customs, Bruner Fabrication, Bruner Targets, UMI. Now, took the car for a drive. Some of you seen my video. It was fun, but not what I'm used to. So, with that being said, next time it goes for a drive, it's gonna make some few new noises. Woo! Would you look at that? The old Punisher card just got a lot more spicy, fellas. Ladies and fellas, I guess. Hopefully, by this weekend, we'll have some videos making some boosty noises.